BJP की ओइना लापीरिबा National की General Secretary मदी Coordination Northeast State the Ramadopji अदुगा उजेक्ता वांगांबी रमगा हनबी फ्रबा श्री हेमंत बिस्वा असम की Health की Minister अदुगा दाइस इलेक्शन बिरिबा State Shiki President Shri Babananda ji aduga Organizing Secretary Northeast Manipur Lishu Biriba Ajay Jamal ji aduga Oza Fulindranath Sharma aduga Satpigre Babung Sauba aduga Honorable MLA Joy Kishan the MLA Bishojit guys the Langshin Biriba ex MLA Tama Borot Tama Borbabu Loina Panjatru Kasuk Tama Santi Kumar Paramananda Singh Punamak Mangaling Saliva Maruina Equega MLA Minaram by ex MLA Singh BJP ki sympathizer Swakar Singh Punamak Ikai Kum the Bushari I gimated on the I Adam Haja Gadubo Karigi Ekoina Sarkar Pairaga Power Pairaga Hujus Power Pairaga Ladiba Congress Sarkar MLA Sumasing Yam Krava Sidaki Power Paidan Ladiba Party Mother Togla Ino, Songi no, La Ino, Hypedu Matangu I Kitang I guess Central Digi Laiva respected General Secretaries and officials Sikan and Nabaimati Kitang Mr. Hajage. First of all, I am thankful to the state leaders and the central leaders of BJP who are present here for extending their warm welcome to me, to us. I am deeply thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister and Shri Amit Shah ji for granting us our acceptance into party fold. It is a great privilege for us. I am very grateful to the central leaders for giving their assurance to incorporate my humble proposal for bringing about a lasting solution to the existing gap and conflict between the peoples of the hills and the valleys areas. As conceived in my political mission in the vision document of the BJP party. I also express my appreciation and laud the surgical strike carried out recently by the Indian Army across the LOC towards the goal of wiping out terrorism from the surface of the country. With the BJP coming into power in the center, under the able leadership of Shri Modi ji, our country has been transformed into elevated within such a short span of time to a position which has earned the respect and admiration of people from all over the world. Han Bharat Singha Yangamba Pitribigi, Western countries or Southeast Asia ki oiro, adigi European countries oiro Yangamba Bharat ki Prajada Yangamba Miyendo, Narendra Modi Singha Lahavamatunda Pairamatunda Koisi just were lifted up to the level. Adugi appreciation to make one of my decision to resign as an MLA and quit the Congress party has been mainly prompted by the, I don't want to mention it, but I have to, dictatorship style and the misgovernance of the present state government, which effectively engages my fervent desire to serve and fulfill the wishes and the aspirations of the people of Manipur. Now the hill and the plains become divided sharply due to mishandling of various issues by the government. I have a firm conviction that with my initiation into the party, I shall be able to accomplish my long cherished desire of fulfilling the aspiration of the people of Manipur. My commitment towards resolving the deep-seated issues we have been experiencing in the state and for bringing about a long-lasting solution has received a fresh boost with my acceptance into BJP. Because Manipur ki hujik leidaba situation se atop kanagumba principle leidaba ideology yaudaba firm commitment leidaba party mananga moy. That's why I choose BJP, because well disciplined party hoiba, commitment ngakpa party hoiba. Ngasi India da Pakistan dagi taurakpa terrorist kam kuire terrorist hantak terrorist pichibi pumbani issue. Sugumba yade na khanganba nation force have a theory. I khoi gina PSU pick na Manipur force, state force. Manipur, I queen of Congress dagi togla BJP the sang is we want a change. Prajana change to we want a law is kuire. Change makagi. Karma change. Satra singsi sorok the toga police singi nongmai kapam or akogi tear gas kapam trial to bundona water cannon kapam trial to bundona satra mayam to kusi game bunwai brune. Kayang kuirage kuina satra satri sing sorok the tara ka sela nongmai kano kara kogi tear gas kara kapsan ising cannon kara kapsan torkanda. Tawai se kara why? Karigino mayam na Manipur se Banpur na tawai si marum karigino. Issue ama laibada matam sana loshindaba. Issue do hek ma phone targa nairaga mai sakri baba po se pairo eba. Sosanpur girang singi nung sigra bai chilinaw singdo thogok yes mapam khudi makta marai na balai gani nungai na balai gani khanna balai gani imu manung da sulai silinaw sulai. But Sosanpur ginong sigra bai silinaw singdo thogok ama da sire. Imphal da su siye Ching the Susie, but I quite get a one topper. Nisi the body don't say Sahim Sure. Sahim just can you imagine that body lying 1 year without doing anything? Sibukarma Pichibile back to Lake. Masukumba Mayam sing a Tamoiga Hangbang Malakabagi. Sing hill and a plane, what division Labadona, Unava Yaratabi Mong Lapa. Satra satri sing mai masing tama pangdabagi moongda ngasi school kani hayang balak thokani hayang suti thadokani. There is no life. Adu ki damakta mayam se urak padagi within the chains hai bagi wakal praja mayam ki kholaw gu tar kandane kun ngasi laise. Adu ki chains tongno ki damakta kun kari darkar nahi hai bakanda. Achoba pot ma chains to ge hargadi madu bu thengna bangamba Choba Potama, Sakti Lebam from Madakui, Sangaga, Madugi, soldiers winner, BJP, Royal Soldier, Moina, Madu fight to Butaba. Madu Kanda, Manipur, Santi Porpungani. Kanaguma party Mutangamoy, because BJP had a party, I'm committed to Eva, I'm a disciplined Eva, Aduma Potubune Koinasi. We highly honor the party's principle, Adumana Koinasi joined out in there. Aina parties is something either even respected President, National President Amit ji, ay unahan na bagi sang spibi, Ramadov ji ki khutangda, ay gi Manipur da huji wariba chronic wariba issues, masi CC lay, kamay tong na masigi grievances mayam say mo gi mangla thammi, masi lotion biba abagi possibility kari lay gi na itanay. Very kind enough and very serious. Amit Jina, Ramadov ji, Masamak. No, Nangi points say it is a need of the hours. Manipur people is Kidamakta, Madu Sungsoi Shoina Madu Poni, Haibase, Nasi, Adumang Ningasin, a sense and Stella Pirga, Manipur Prajame, and the messages of appearance. I call it constitution Yadava Heroi. I call it party against Saloy. We will never go against the principle of the BJP party. And we will not ask anything against the constitution. Whatever the constitution given the party ki principle to given the Praja Sing Sibu in the single lane of the Pandam Kharadun. I in a point Mari Mangaka. Sir, will you kindly permit? Just let me know. I in a point Mari Mangaka Hamjabani. Sing Tamgi, I issues mayam se loira kan we have to go ahead hojikti akhoi se issue mayam se tar ga leibani na akhoi mang da sat pangam dre hoji mang da tari ba pose kari tai singa mari tamani ki lei marta lei ba gap se kramaina men ga da Manipur without valley there is no Manipur, without hill there is no Manipur. Manipur se singa mari tamani pur ga sem bani ngasi di tamina sing chat pada hangoi re singmi na tem chat pada lak pada hangoi na re ba masi ki atmosphere ma create tong na ba damakta kari drakar lai sapat pada manabu sangai phoi thak manar ba matam da amaga sab manaba status da self respect lai don matam da koi nungsi na gani ngasi singi lam da chat la yeng biyo car thoba ya ba lambi karai da lege car thoba ya ba Shaktiman ki truck lambi ngata ni ayambana 90% karigi ngasi hawada sing sakhan na bagi special provision madugi thought madugi idea later madu aina honorable general secretary amadi akogi president Bhamanda sahib mayam sidaina akoi thaminarga idea se do matamda topographical need based budget ama Manipur semagadi singi lamda akhoi gi sidadi se kai sampat kai akhoi ga phangma matam da it costs only 20 lakhs or 1 crore bridge ama darkar leiraga so but where is in the hills terrain mayam lok mayam madugi chingjong mayam du ka ga sapra matam da drain yawdra lambi semba yade singda drain ha yawdra da lambi da dum loire sigi need based budget che masi to view haidana haiba matam da if the BJP government is there, I General Secretary, family commit to yes, President of Palm report change though. My mating pang gani sung choice na sing sakon and gani have a same to be commitment layer. That is the idea. That is the reason behind. And issue with the Tampakilam, Singilam di well and good. Kasi singi sinlaw singi well protected. It's very good. Indian constitution is kind enough. Hilly areas in the protect of the Tampaki areas protect of the number of Murakanda. Karigamba it is politician. Tabakolapamatamdari, multi company mayam se la agatamadamda. Loina lesson regarding a future late. I could give future dog. Madu Kanner with Tapan multi company mayam do not carry a tabuk to Garagasu, lease the carry the Lorga, Sahanaba, Lam Naikogi Honaba, Lam Naika quick rice at Kane. Madugi Potuma, Valigi Weba, Lam Sinsigi, constitutional provision, Amaka insert of Viraga, Singum the protector Vio Hina in a request of Buni. Madu, sincerely, seriously, Moy, some choice for the Nato, Vigani High, we get them with Hajabado, I want the PP. Sigi Sushida, Manipur Tampaka, Mayam Punama. Masida message speaker the Benikoi. Single Ediba Prajapunama, Singi, fun, triple, double, other Erga Sing support and get them have Sigi message speaker and the BJP Awon BJP am the committed to the Sakar as a Matangi Laiva 2017 election the Porakanda, Manipur say unit was share have an egg phantom. Masida was share. Latrating a moy. Many issues and isini. Atay basa khar lai masadudi khoi gi regiment hangbiu haiba gumba adagi khoi gi yam toina khoi di landlock ni na waterways lete yar the porkana ke am porkani kar bo da porkana aduna highway ani se highway 2 madi 37 masi 4 lane one thok birga masi ki dedicated toiba force ma highway protection force khoi thambiu na nijabani haibani Adu moina hai yam maram saba poni madu hai ba punam to hande ki election si loina nei koina mass campaign da madu noi season ro hairo commitment piro adu ga sarkar sen na ba tawr kanda state sarkar na to buna gamna kari central sarkar na to buna gamna kari hai ba pajana yengi hai yenga ga tawni hai commitment do ai gale aina sangi basi state ki ba issues kar request obune aduna sumai to dana hujite highway da sat pa kaisa ngahal ga ban tawre blockade tawre gari mai thare sina tension mayam am sule khoi gi masen gi mar to ungna ba
aduna hairiba pose subside tonganaba long lasting solution ama gidamta masi darkar leiba aduna hojik narol sing educated unemployed mayam leiriba masi sing se kramai to gunai khoina masi employment pi gidage haba madugi employment avenue hambina ba madu hanagi mayamda moi khanarga lei aina haijaragusu aigidi sumna just simply a proposal but khogi leibiriba national ki general secretary center da leibiriba national party ki leaders singna madu tawbigada banina adu hujik phawda ingoda phangba feedback ta aigi thajabada hairiba pot laiba ki oiba tangai phadba mayam sa sungsoi soidana moina aikhoigi ayaba mawongda yenbigani haibigi thajaba leibadagi aikoi parties da sangakpani aduga aina mayamda ngasigi mifam siga mari laina aina mayamda aina appeal tawjaning base both hill and the plain aikoi BJP na singtam khaidana ngasi dagidi aisu ai samak BJP amoina wangang jari sini singtam gi khena bala hendana sabkhat pa manana bagi thak aduga tampata leiriba mayam sigi hayeng tungda mitopna loksen gidana bagi marugi protection tauna ba hairiba point amani is the campaign to boganda igi thajabada sungsoi soidana laiba 2017 gi election se maramdi manipur gi parja mayam ju omaga chaaga leireba pendaba proper governance pir kanda ban lehendaba state amadi wohen sebe khoi ban lehendaba school college phajana lai tamanba office phajana kanba state amatangdi aikhoi BJP ki sarkar la kan wohen se sing amat ching tam se amat ngai ba state am to wohen se ba masi nei ge panda adra khoi campaign right from today masi ki campaign se khoi mass hoina to the rural area da leriba city area da leriba karmi khudi mangna haiba points sing ase fajana masi note to bideraga masi ki points da ngangbiraga mayam praja sing da hana di pamaga lebe praja sing do convince to biraga BJP ki sarkar langana ba honeraga manipur se tangdu lecha hanje ba khum khase thamjarga I thank again national ki lakpiriba leader sing aduga state ki leibiriba leader sing BJP ki aikoi bo walk bagi damakta aikoi taram na loksan bagi damakta we will never betray you we will follow the guidelines of the party thank you